Hey guys, Tazb78 over here. It is 11:48, June 15. SPX box break. The last team to be sold was the Edmonton Oilers at 9 p.m. June 15, 10:50 was the sell. There we go. So, quick note, in my ad I say it's a grab bag, so it is a grab bag if there's no hits. If you would not like to have a grab bag but have a chance to be on the list for a bonus break of a certified box, let me know. I'm building up a list, and on June 25th I will randomize the list 3 or 5 times, and I will have the first 30 eBay names pulled out, associated to a team, and they will be in for free. So just let me know, send me a message after you've seen this video. If you want the grab bag, I'll be more than pleased to send it to you. If you want a chance on the bonus list, just let me know. So there we go. Serial number of this box ends by 996. Let's get it going. Bonus pack, empty box, let's get this started. Let's go with the bonus pack. Start. Base, and our hit is for the Nashville Predators, 839 of 1999, Ryan Ellis. Base winning combos. Top is for the Vancouver Canucks, Roberto Luongo. Bottom is Calgary Flames, Mika Kiprusoff. As per my ad, top left is the winner, so we've got Vancouver Canucks. Show you the last 2 cards. Base and a base. So this goes to the Vancouver Canucks. Yeah. Base, and this is Jordan Eberle for the Edmonton Oilers, dual jersey. Edmonton Oilers. Yep. Base, and a spacer. Base, 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 spacer. Base, 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 and a base. Base, 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 and a rookie for the Florida Panthers, 236 of 499 of Bracken Kearns. Spacer. Base, 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 and a base. Base, 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 base. Base, 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 and a base. Base, 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 and a base. Base, 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 and a base. Still looking for our rookie auto. Base, 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 and a base. Base, 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 and a base. Here's our rookie auto. Base, 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 and for the Winnipeg Jets, we've got number 202 of 499 of Mark Scheifele. Well, this goes to the Jets. We got another rookie auto. Base, base, base. This is for the Dallas Stars, numbered 781 of 799, Thomas Vancouver. Dallas Stars. Base, base, base. Legends of Hockey for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux, numbered 15 of 25. Nice hit for Penguins. Base card. Two packs to go. Base, 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 and a base. And our last pack. Base, 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 and a base. So let's go with a quick recap. Legends of Hockey, 15 of 25 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. For the Dallas Stars, we've got Thomas Vancouver, rookie, auto. For the Winnipeg Jets, we got Mark Scheifele, rookie, auto. We've got for the Florida Panthers, this is a complicated one, Bracken Kearns. Winning materials for the Edmonton Oilers of Jordan Eberle. Winning combos for the Vancouver Canucks, Roberto Luongo and Mika Kiprusoff. And we've got Ryan Ellis for Nashville as our ice premiere. So, like I said before, please make sure, let me know if you want a grab bag or be part of the bonus break, or a chance for the bonus break. Thank you, everybody.